What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we have a very cool unboxing. We're gonna get right into it. It's of the A Ma Maniére 3, and this is really cool, man. I have been definitely waiting for these, and we finally have them. And I have every A Ma Maniére shoe. I have literally all of them except for the blue airships and the green airships. I do plan on getting those too eventually soon, but they just haven't been a priority of mine. But yes, we got all the A Ma Maniére Jordans though. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So here's a look at the box. Now this is off of the raffle from the A Ma Maniére website. So that was really cool. I know a lot of people got a W from the website. And the thing is that they be taxing like crazy, and then they ended up releasing on the sneakers app, which is even crazier. And since they released on the sneakers app, obviously the sneakers app's tax is much less than other websites and stuff. So I mean, it is what it is. We still got a dub, so I don't really care if I missed out on saving a couple bucks. And I know they're going to be releasing again, I think on the 27th of August, so on sneakers app. So make sure you guys go ahead and make sure you guys have that notified on the sneakers app so you guys don't miss out if you guys did take a L or miss the drops or whatever. But here's the box. Really cool looking box. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, that's just insane. So I don't even know how this box works. Like, it got a nice little presentation. Like, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know how this goes. By the way, I really appreciate you guys for all the love and support you guys been showing on Jack's Cakes. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. And shout out to all the people that are subscribing to Jax Gaming as well. We're on our way to 8K subscribers over there, and we got a lot of cool stuff happening. All right, so how do you open this box? Hold on. This is actually something new. This is something new, guys. Hold on. So, okay. So you lift it up like this, right? You lift it up like this, and then there's like a little, hold on, let me just flip the camera around. The shoebox around. There's a little tab right there. So with that tab, you go ahead and open it that way, I guess. I don't. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, look at the presentation. Hold on. Dang, look at that. Oh shoot. I'm actually excited for this. So let's go ahead and open these things up. What is Oh, we get some like special like cloth for the wrapping. Look at that. Wow, that's nice. And then the shoes are just in normal plastic white. And here are the shoes right here. Let's just go ahead and get them open, man. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is cool. All right, so they're now out of the packaging, and here they are right here. This is a size 14. I do wear a size 14. Or was it? Is it size 14? Actually, yes, it is. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yes, so this is a size 14 for the A Ma Maniére 3s, and my goodness. First off, let me just showcase what they both look like on the camera before I give my opinion on these. I mean, just look at that. Look at all the detail. Here's the back as well. And obviously Supreme season is back, so you guys know I got you guys with some dope Supreme unboxings and stuff too. Here's the top. Well, we'll showcase them more in detail, but just want to showcase both of them together. Let's start off with the left shoe off rip. All right, so here we have it. This is the left shoe off rip on the tongue. You guys see the A Ma Maniére logo, which is really cool. Surprisingly, on the inside, I mean, you do get like the repeat of the A Ma Maniére logo on the inside. Kind of hard to see. But there's normally like a little something here, but I guess not. Maybe were they all like that for the other threes? I don't know. The other threes are over there, but yeah, that's pretty cool. We got the quilted inside as well. Here's the quilted inside. There you go. That's better. So here's the quilted inside for you guys, so you guys can see all that. That looks really nice. This is crazy because this shoe is pretty similar to the other A Ma Maniére 3. Obviously, it's black, and obviously the midsole is a lot more of a off-white, like a darkish, creamy off-white. But other than that, wow, it's pretty similar. It's really similar, honestly. Here's the bottom. Really nice. This is such a nice shoe. We got the Nike hang tag, Nike Air hang tag. And we got like a A Ma Maniére little cardboard, little whatever you want to call it, hang tag. So that's really cool as well. So yeah, and we also get some spare laces on the inside of the left shoe, which is some off-white laces as well, which is really cool. So that's really cool stuff. And on the inside, obviously we get that. Here's what it looks like on the inside as well. Nothing, nothing much, honestly. It's kind of like the back of the tongue where it just shows the repeat of the A Ma Maniére logo. It's kind of hard to see though. I like the gray hits of the suede as well on here. We got the nice leather, the black leather on it with the nice darkish purple, which is really cool. Um, I really like this shoe a lot though. I mean, just all the amazing details, really nice colorway. I definitely like it a lot. Now, do I like it more than the other threes? I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. And we also get a black pair of laces as well to start off with the shoe. So really nice for the left shoe overall. And here we are with the right shoe. So here's the right shoe. Obviously same details as well. And the leather quality feels really good as well. Pretty nice. Really nice stuff though. I definitely plan on getting some wears in with these for sure. I'm not too sure when, but I definitely plan on wearing these. Oh, and obviously some words there on the shoelace. What does it say? Harder. And I'm pretty sure the other one says work. Yeah, so it says work harder on the right shoe. On the left one, it says work harder, I'm sure. Yep, it says work harder. Cool. So yeah, so it says work harder on the shoestring, which is really cool. And obviously same details as the other one. Normally we would get like a big old like A in the middle right there. You know what I'm saying? Like in the inside. But I guess we're not this time. We obviously got the nice quilted inside as well. Start off with a black pair of laces as well. And just overall, just really nice details on this shoe. Definitely a really nice shoe to have. I highly suggest you guys get it because it's very obtainable. Like this is a very obtainable A Ma Maniére, and I love the A Ma Maniére drops because they're obtainable. If you want them, you can get them, and you don't have to worry about having to like rush trying to get the shoe and then taking an L like how you do with most shoes like Travis Scott's, for example. No, with a shoe like this, you know, it's really nice looking, nice quality. You get a lot of cool stuff with it, and you pretty much have a higher chance at getting this shoe as well. So, in my opinion, I think that's a W, and I hope more releases with other collabs do that as well. But we shall see. Obviously, we got the Nike on the back as well with the gray hits. Really nice. I mean, look at how good the quality is. All that quality is just super nice. And then we get the Jordan logo on the tongue for the right shoe as well. And we also get some of the, dark purple laces as well for this. So we get in total, the black laces, which is one, the off-white laces, which is two, and three for the darkest purple laces, which is really cool. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. Really, really nice shoe, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I really, really like this shoe a lot, guys. Now, is it better than the original A Ma Maniéres? I'm gonna have to say no. The OG ones, the first A Ma Maniére threes, those are nice. Like just the colorway with how it transitions together, it just matches so perfectly. But this is definitely a really nice shoe for sure. And if you guys can't get your hands on the original threes, definitely want to get your hands on these for sure. Especially while the prices are low, because years from now these prices will go up. So I highly suggest you guys get them now. I might double up. I'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned to Jex Kicks for more Supreme unboxings, shoe unboxings. We got you guys all covered here on Jex Gaming and other clothing brands and other shoe brands as well. And also check out Jex Gaming as well. My second channel link is in the description down below. Black Ops 6, the beta is next week, so I will be covering that and all the other cool games as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to Jex Gaming as well, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this shoe. And I'll see you guys on next one. I'm signing out. Peace.